Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add clock and weather widget to your Samsung Galaxy phone home screen. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third-party app. So you can follow this easy and simple method. Just tap and hold on your home screen empty space like this, and here you can get the option widgets. Just tap and open it, okay, like this. Okay, now scroll down and find out weather widget. Just select that weather widget, and you can get two or three different type of weather widget. As you can see guys, I want widget with clock and weather report. I will select this widget. Just tap and hold on this and release this widget on your home screen. Okay, so as you can see guys, in my home screen, so the clock is also showing, as well as my current location weather also is showing here, as you can see guys. So this is a very easy and very simple method to add clock and weather widget to your Samsung Galaxy home screen, to your Samsung Galaxy phone home screen. So that's for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.